Hello, so today I'm going to be talking to you about dereference operators. A dereference operator is an operator that when applied to a pointer variable denotes the variable to which the pointer points. Now in order to clarify this definition, pointers are simple data types that point to addresses in memory. Now we use pointers when we're trying to do dynamic binding, when we're trying to change our variables during runtime. To show how a dereference variable works, we need to declare both a data type and a pointer that points to that data type. So here we've decided to use the int data type, and it's an int and an x. X is the name of the int. Then we have the int followed by this asterisk right here, which identifies that this is a pointer, followed by the pointer name int pointer. So down here we have an assignment, and what we want to do is we're going to assign the pointer to point to this reference to x. So the ampersand that I'm showing right here is the reference to x, and what this is saying is that somewhere in memory this pointer will get the address of this specific x file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you pictorially what I mean when I stated the declarations and the assignments. So what we have here in this column is we have the address. And so this address in memory is some random address. Here we've stated that this is going to be 0104. Down here we have 0128. And so these are going to be the respective addresses of int pointer and x. And so our int pointer, because of the fact that it's a pointer, points to some address in memory. So this 128 is an address. However, because this was stated as an integer, this is going to be some integer within here and not an address. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to find out what the integer or what this question mark is supposed to represent. Okay, so now that I've set up this example, we're now going to show you what the dereference operator actually looks like. So what we have currently right now is we have this asterisk here followed by int pointer equal to 32. Now, our pointer is called int pointer. So to identify it, we don't need an asterisk. That's where the dereference operator comes in. Now this dereference operator, what it's going to do is it's going to access the pointer. It's going to figure out where the pointer is pointing to and then get the information out of what it's pointing to. So what we assigned this pointer to point to before was x, using the reference ampersand. Now what this statement is going to do is it's going to go to the memory location that x is in and then assign x equal to 32. Okay, so now to show you pictorially what I just stated, before what we had this address, this memory, which was, since this was a pointer, was going to be a memory location. And so we went down to this location, specifically 0128, and before we had a question mark in here as to what x was. Because of our recent statement that we dereferenced this specific pointer, we now have and now know what exactly x is equal to, and in this case 32.